Welcome, welcome. Are you ready to get your groove on, to crush this? I know I am. So let's get going. High knees, hit it. Go for 25 seconds. Begin. "15 seconds. Okay, nice work. Let's go to the next one. Next up, standing toe tap crunch. 25 seconds, let's go. And we're off. Give me some fire on this one and some power behind that leg raise. 15 seconds. Let's move on to the next exercise. Okay, standing oblique crunch, left leg. Go for 25 seconds. Begin. "15 seconds. Terrific. Let's move on. Moving on to standing oblique crunch, right leg. I want you to go for 25 seconds. Okay, let's go. "15 seconds. And finished. Next one. Moving on to alternating cyclone squats. Let's go, 25 seconds. Begin. Seconds. Once more from the top. High knees, hit it. Let's go for 25 seconds. Let's get rolling. Focus on your breathing. Seconds. And done. Let's move on. Next, standing toe tap crunch. Let's go for 25 seconds. And go. Seconds. Excellent. Moving on. Okay, standing oblique crunch, left leg. Go for 25 seconds. Okay, get started. Try to imagine you've got a soccer ball between your knees so that you keep a constant contraction on your obliques. 15 seconds. Perfect. Next exercise. Moving on to standing oblique crunch, right leg. I want you to go for 25 seconds. Okay, let's go. Seconds. We're finished. Give me alternating cyclone squats. Hit it for 25 seconds. Okay, hit it. Seconds. Great job. Hope you enjoyed that workout. Go grab something to drink. Get yourself hydrated. You earned it. And I will catch you next time.